Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 27, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I review the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's maximize these charts and see what we see here. This last review of the year, we see the SPY is just below a yearly R2, looking very green though, looking very bullish. Let's go down to our monthly chart and see what we see there. Let's zoom in here. Again, the SPY is green. The SPY is above our 10-9-10 moving average, technically meaning we are in a bull market. Also at this time, we are forming a bullish engulfing at the top, and we are also we above a quarterly R2 at this time. That's very strong, very bullish looking at this time. All right, that's that. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. Zoom in here. This weekly chart, look like, what did we do? We made all-time highs. You know, look like this week is an all-time high. Boom, 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 boom. We haven't broken that 700 yet, but it looks like we're like less than $10 away. About $9 and some change. You know, sounding like a used car salesman here. You know, trying to squeeze every penny out of it that I can. And all. But we do also, what we have here is a piercing pattern at a top, and all looking very bullish at this time. You know, that's what I see and all. But let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart to wrap this on up. Zoom in here. And this is the thing that, like, I brought out on the Nasdaq. You know, I think our Christmas rally has started. Number one, right here. This is the date that we at Right Side Trader had kind of announced that this is when it usually starts, and we got a complete reversal of this bearish looking pattern down here at the bottom in the wrong location and all, and we got, I call it a confirmation, going in the opposite direction, closing above, you know, the high of these bodies. And that's what I like to see, a close above the high of those bodies. Then come this week, we've rallied to the top. We ended up with a red day, taking some profit here and all, but it still looks good, you know, based on your trading plan and your trading strategy. You might be done with the Christmas rally. It's all based on how you decide you wanted to play it and all. But that's where we are at, and that's where everything looks good and all. So that's all I have for you this week. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a Happy New Year and prosperous New Year, and I'll talk to you next year. This is Right Side Trader. Thought I hit that. This is Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Happy New Year. Bye.